Across the local business market, owners are now routinely signing off on $1,000 monthly retainers for one specific AI automation. The reason is simple. When a plumbing company or a retail shop closes for the night, their inbound leads don't stop. Every missed call and unread message outside of normal hours represents thousands of dollars in lost revenue that businesses struggle to recover the next morning. To bridge this gap, many owners try the obvious route, plugging a standard generative AI model directly into their customer support channels. But this approach is dangerous. Standard AI is prone to making things up, inventing store policies, promising discounts that don't exist, and eventually alienating the very customers it was meant to help. These businesses need the immediate response time of a machine, but they require the factual reliability of a human employee. We can provide both by building a WhatsApp RAG chatbot. We use a platform called N8N to build this. It allows us to map out the entire logic of the bot visually, connecting 3 distinct systems into a single workflow. First is the interface. We use webhooks to link the bot to the Meta WhatsApp Business API, allowing it to receive and send messages in real time. Second is the brain. We integrate OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini to handle natural language understanding, ensuring the conversation feels fluid and human. However, to prevent the AI from wandering off script, we use a technique called reuse and return policies as searchable data points. When a customer texts a question, the system searches the vault first. It bypasses the AI's general training and looks only for the specific internal document that answers that customer's query. The workflow pulls that specific policy and feeds it to OpenAI, forcing the AI to use only that verified text to draft the response. By structuring the logic this way, the bot is constrained to the company's verified data. This effectively neutralizes the primary cause of hallucinations and keeps the output strictly factual. While building custom nodes in N8N offers the most control, the logic can be difficult for beginners to master from scratch. If you need to deploy a solution faster, specialized no-code tools like Chatbot act as a shortcut. Instead of wiring databases manually, you can simply upload a PDF of the company's policies to instantly generate a custom-trained chatbot. The underlying RAG technology remains the same, but the technical requirement for the setup has essentially dropped to zero. This brings us back to the financial model. Because this solves a high-cost problem, your pricing should reflect that value. The standard approach is to charge a one-time setup fee for the build, followed by a monthly retainer between $300 and $1,000 for monitoring and updates. For the business owner, this monthly cost is significantly lower than the expense of hiring staff for 24/7 support, and it's far more reliable. For the agency owner, this creates a recurring revenue stream that scales without requiring hours of manual labor every week. This shift proves that building high-value business systems no longer requires a background in software engineering, just an understanding of system-level logic. Your next step is to audit the support process of a local business this week. Identify where they are losing leads and pitch the specific WhatsApp RAG solution. Launching an AI automation agency is more accessible than it's ever been. Subscribe to AI and Gen Z for more tech-driven strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.